Hello everyone, I am Merve and today we will be doing a bookmark together. It is very easy model. It took me like 15 minutes to make it. So it is constructed from three parts. One is the top, one is the chain and one is the fringe. And it is very easy. It is very cute. It is very lovely and I plan to use it very often. And if you like this video, please think about subscribing to my channel and leave a like. I would really appreciate the gesture. And without further ado, let's start our bookmark. Like I said, it is very easy. I am using cotton yarn. It is kind of fine. And I will be using only one color this time. You can use two, three. But after a while, I noticed that this connecting merging points looks not that good for two colors. So I will be going for one and I suggest you to do the same. I will be using 3.5 millimeters of a hook and a scissors and a needle. Without further ado, let's start. You can either wrap your yarn around your finger or use the ring like me. I find this one easier. And chain up. We will be doing 8 chains. This is our knot and then do 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we turn it around and skip the first one and insert our hook to the back loop of the second chain like this and do a single crochet. And when you reach the fourth one, we will be doing 3 single crochets to only one single stitch. So 1, 2 and 3. And for the next 3 we will be doing 1 single crochet to each one. And when you are done, for the second row, we will be chaining 1, turn it around, skip the first one because we increased in the middle, and insert your hook to the back loop of your V, like this. I hope it is clear. We are skipping the first one and the chain, and go to the second one, back loop, yarn over, and single crochet. Back loop, yarn over and single crochet. When we reach the fourth one, we are again doing 3 single crochet to 1 single stitch. And fifth one, we are doing 1, 6, we are doing 1. And when we reach the seventh one, we are not going on the back loop, but we are going both loops like this for better look. Otherwise it will stretch up. So again we chain, turn it around, skip the first one and go to the second one in the back loop, single crochet. And when we reach to the fourth one, we are doing 3 single crochets. And 1 again, 6. And when we reach to the 7, we are inserting our hook to the underside of the V and single crochet and chain. Another, skipping the first one. We We are doing 3 single crochets to the 4th one. And both loops to the 7. Let's do another and you can repeat this process as many times as you like. I personally did 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 rows here, and you can make this as long as you want. You can do 8, 10. You can use acrylic yarn, and it is the same process. So I finished up 6 rows, and I think it is enough. To finish it up, we are sparing a bit of yarn. Cut it and then squeeze and then push our yarn inside our needle and then hide it. If you have a better method, please do so, because I am not very good at this one. That's enough for me. And for the next step, turn your piece, and we will be chaining 15 with the same color. So for chain part, insert your hook to this part, this space, and chain up, and squeeze your chain. Personally, I recommend tying a knot here after you adjust the chain and squeeze. Okay, and then chain 15. When you are done and deemed it fits, you can make this longer. You spare a bit of yarn because we will be saving our fringe to this part, and cut your yarn and just do like this. And for the next step, please push your yarn inside your needle and take the yarn again inside your hand. So we will be wrapping this part to our hand 10 to 15 times, how much you want. If you want thicker fringe, you can do 20 or more, depends on your preference. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I will be doing 2, 3 times more, and that's enough for me. Cut your yarn off. So take your needle, push inside your circle and go to your V and push your needle inside this V and underside of inside your circle and squeeze. Do this 3 times. It will secure your fringe. And 4 maybe. So make this. Okay, so when we are done, even it out, turn it around like this and like this. So as you can see, tighten it, adjust it, and we will secure this once more. Wrap your yarn 3 or 4 times or even more, however much you want, around your fringe and push your needle inside of it like this and pull and squeeze like this. Squeeze. You may need to adjust a bit. So like this and squeeze, and that's it. You you cut the loops like this and even it out. And here is your bookmark, crochet bookmark. I hope you like this video. I hope you find this easy. I hope you find my narration good. I hope this video helped you. If you like to see similar videos, please think about subscribing to my channel. And see you in the next one. I really like this. I mean, look at this cutie. I love the color as well. So much fun. I love crochet. I am so bad at this. I need to find a method to just make this disappear. I mean, enough. Yeter. Enough. Let's do this. I love this one. I love the colors. It's so cute. It's so good. Okay. I'm guessing. Let's read this.